Oh, is it snuggly? Is Lydia snuggly? How much you love that little thing. Are you not gonna yawn no more? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
I'm sleeping with him.
No, you'll squish it.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will. No. Wanna yawn? Do the cute little yawn. Come on. Mama's over there like, you're breaking my baby back.
It's about to.
It's about to yawn.
I can tell. Oh, it's turning over to me. And
Oh, he's checking you out. Who's got me? It likes to lay its head up a bit. There we go. Nine. Let's go, Nine. Let's go, Nine. I'm gonna go get a really good picture really fast while the face is that way.
Can I wear the makeup I was wearing to school? Can I wear